Remove the headrest first. Position the side with the airbag label facing the car door. Unzip, then slip the cover over the backrest. Adjust the holes for headrest. Zip up. Fasten the fixing chucks and tuck them into the seat gap. Remove the dust cover. Slip on the fixing chucks and secure them in place. Unfasten the fasteners and slip on the baserest seat covers. Tuck them into the seat gap. Thread the buckle through the adjustment rod under the seat. Fasten the buckle and pull the adjustment strap tight. Tuck it. Hook it. Reinstall the dust cover. Secure it firmly using the hook and loop fastener. Reinstall the headrest and slip on the cover. Remove the headrest. Unzip and fit the backrest cover. Adjust the openings of the headrest. Zip up. Fasten the fixing chucks and tuck them into the seat gap. Fit the headrest cover and reinstall the headrest. Complete the installation on the other side by following the method used for the left side. Ensure the seat belt is pulled up and threaded through the seat back cover. Complete the installation on the other side by following the method used for the left side. Slip on the seat cushion cover, fasten the fixing chucks and tuck them into the seat crevices. Insert the fixing chucks into the crevices.